for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, SAVIC Team also, and thank you, for everyone who has joined this event, to all the industry experts and tech experts. I am a quick introduction about myself. I am Shikha Bhatia. I am the cloud solution architect. I am working with Microsoft in the partner org, the global partner solutions as we call it. And a total of 14 years of work experience working across sales and pre-sales and doing a lot of working across different geographies, customers as well. So this particular event, we are going to delve into the art of the possible with AI and SAP and how we can, how we can really understand what is the value add that we can add and what's the kind of value propositions and offerings that we have along with for SAP, the business critical workload which is there for all of us, and how it is also now seamlessly integrated, and we have integrated AI capabilities into it. So we'll have a flavor of AI also into all of it. With that context setting, let me quickly start. Okay, let me just switch it off. 1 second, sorry, I'm just having some trouble. Oh, this will help. Okay, let me see. Yeah, okay, so I hope I'm clear. I was clearing the disturbance, but yeah, I think it will be better. But now, see, as you know, as you all know, like how the world has changed, we have all seen that, and things all around us are also changing very rapidly, right? And organizations are like, we all are really adapting to it, and there's nothing new. Like if you even look just a few years ago, we saw that the organizations had invested in the digital foundation, and they were like able to, really, who were really strong, had a strong digital transformation foundation, were able to weather all the disruption of the pandemic better, and then the others as well. So we believe that we are again at a similar kind of an inflection point in terms of technology, and the pressures of course are different, and after all the disruption that we have seen during the pandemic, I think industries are still really transforming rapidly in that sense. And the AI, I mean, of course, like I said, right, in the beginning also, the AI is no longer a distant concept. AI is an integral force in our daily life. It is really revolutionizing all the industries and creating new opportunities. So AI is here to stay, and technology is really advancing in that sense, and it's really there are a lot of new advancements that are happening in this space, right? Experiences which are based on like large language models like ChatGPT. We all know how the world has responded to it, and how it has become, and I mean, in a way, it's like, because we can draw a vast store of data which is leveraging all that computing power which is available today. I think it is because of all that power, massive computing power which is available today in the cloud, and with that technology breakthrough is what is happening, and we are all seeing it not only in just the technology space. It's like massively impacting all the end consumers as well. And I mean, of course, there's number of reasons, but yeah, this is like a recent study about the founder that 87% of all the leaders believe that AI will give their organizations all that competitive edge. So by harnessing all the power of AI, analytics, intelligent automation, and at the forefront, helping all the end consumers, we can really help customers, all of you, like understanding the consumer needs and personalizing the experiences, and making all those data-driven decisions, which will empower all of us to outperform and have a very competitive edge in the industry, in the specific industry that you all from. So, I mean, since we have established the fact that yes, it's all driven by data and AI, so and it can't be done all alone, right? And to order to achieve that, the partner in crime is Microsoft, which comes with that trust, gives you that security, and is the leader in that AI innovation space. So Microsoft Cloud is the trusted partner, ensuring that all the organizations who are embarking on that AI journey, they have that confidence, trust, and all the security postures aligned. We are helping all the organizations in meeting those challenges, and I mean the kind of capability that we come with, like Microsoft Cloud comprises of all the products, like as you can see across in 6 critical business areas, across security, across infrastructure, digital and app innovation, data AI, and modern work and business applications. So products like Microsoft Azure, like Microsoft Teams, Dynamics, Power Platform, all are in itself are the industry leaders, right? And they become even more powerful when combined all together. And this entire Microsoft Cloud is built on Azure. This runs on Azure. So the Azure brings in that global, cloud computing platform, which is the foundation for all of the services that we see, that we use on our day-to-day basis, and that makes the difference in a lot of sense. This is and if I really talk about, because we are talking about SAP, so if I really talk about SAP and the Microsoft Cloud integration, we have designed and built specific solutions which are targeted, targeting the SAP workload, and around those 6 areas, 6 solution areas again. Like in each of the solution areas that you see, the different in each of the layers, in each of the pillars that you see, we have a different kind of integrations and different kind of solutions specifically custom designed for or maybe integrations done for the SAP workload, and it will help in realizing all those outcomes, the business outcomes when you transform your SAP onto Azure and leverage the power of the other extended innovate offerings as well. Now, again, in this also, like I said, AI is certainly playing a major role in all the 6 pillars here with respect to SAP as well. Like, for example, if we have to talk about like again from the platform perspective. Now, the kind of platform we have with respect to SAP, again, we all know the power of Azure, but with respect to SAP also we have huge number of SAP certified virtual machines. I'll talk about it and give you a gist of what all the kind of infrastructure, the certified infrastructure that we have to cater to all those SAP requirements. We have that M series and B2 series, which is specifically designed and certified by SAP for HANA workload. We are the preferred SAP partner for both the Azure specific native Azure implementations, or be it the Rise on Azure implementation. We have so many tools and frameworks like Azure Center for SAP services, like Azure Monitor specifically for SAP workload, to get those visibility into the Azure configuration, to get those deployment done at a very faster pace, and have all the best practices recommendations inbuilt into that. So we have that software, the SAP on Azure deployment automation framework, which is like an open source initiative or an orchestration tool to deploy and to install all those SAP environments. Similarly, again, like if I take another example for security, which is like the core of everything we do at Microsoft. So we have Microsoft Sentinel solution specifically for SAP application, which is now certified for S4 HANA Cloud, for ECC as well. We have the different integrations which are available, again, which is for the native implementation as well as the RISE implementation, and even for the on-premises software as well. So we have that also certified for BTP, and this basically shows the kind of commitment it is there to provide the security for SAP software products as well. And this has all happened, with the partnership that we have with SAP, with the long 30-year-old partnership with the SAP co-engineering team and the innovation team that we all are capable to achieve, of course, based on that. This is the, like most of the companies which are using Azure trust with the businesses, and I mean, of course, this is very huge, just a very high glimpse of that. And then the kind of our capabilities that really span across the globe, right? Again, I don't think I have to, call out. Of course, this is the kind of the scale that we have to offer. We have over 300 physical data centers which are arranged into more than different 60 plus regions. And I mean, of course, this number is also increasing now, and with the new data centers that keep on coming. And on top of that, we have over 100 plus compliance certifications which are there over, again, I think more than some 50 or are specific to the different region, different compliances that are the need of the different industries like that. And then this is the then again with all that, security is built into everything. So it's a top priority for Microsoft, it's a top priority for all of us. So we have incorporated security into everything that we do to protect the security interest of all the organizations and the content that we do. I'm just starting with a very simple reasons or very simple thing of why we should really look at Azure as a preferred cloud platform for SAP. Of course, this is just the just from starting from the how basically you can have those cost optimizations once you migrate your landscape to the cloud. Like solutions like I mentioned earlier, also solutions like ACSS, Azure Center for SAP Solutions, which really helps in deploying and or managing all in one flow, all in one place. Basically, it helps in freeing up so many resources because of that faster deployment that you can do, leveraging all the ready-to-use template accelerators that we have already built. The second is, of course, the benefit of Azure, like you have to, the way you have to pay only in the OpEx model is, of course, well known. And this is one of the benefit of, you migrate and you stay with all the kind of prioritizing and optimize the cost using the different analysis tools that we have. And as you gain experiences, you can also optimize for the performance and agility, leveraging all the built-in tools for management, all the built-in, all the best practices and frameworks and all the different compliance capabilities which are inbuilt to help meet those compliance needs and support the ability to expand to different regions and to have those different regional compliances and built as well. This is the these are all the different variety of SKUs or the compute instances that are available on Azure, and some of them are, of course, NetWeaver certified, some are classified here as the HANA certified machines like M series and MV2 series. Of course, from technical standpoint, the details are given. I'm not going to go into detail, but just to call out here the kind of certified system Microsoft has specifically for SAP. We have up to 24 terabytes of RAM, up to 832 BCPU kind of machines which are certified on a single instance for SAP. However, 24 terabyte is as of now in controlled availability, but the other general available option, as of now also we have available 12 terabyte of RAM on 460 BCPU available in on a single VM in MV2 kind of a series, which is very much certified by SAP for running those HANA workload and getting those faster performance, and the SAP count is also aligned, mapped with it, just to show that the kind of mapping that we have and the kind of SAP support based on the work that has been done along with the SAP team. And this is basically the, I'm so sorry. These are other SKUs as well, which are of course for different kind of scenarios which can be leveraged, and this is all called out. But yeah, this is a huge differentiator that we have specifically the range of certified instances that we have for SAP. Just to show the scale that we have to offer for all our HANA certified SKUs and even the other, the other ECC or other NetWeaver certified SKUs as well. And it acts as a differentiator in terms of compute the Microsoft has to offer to meet the requirement from the directly from the on-demand fuel perspective. Okay. Now, now we all know about the power of Azure, right? In terms of the infrastructure capacity and capability that we get and that we can build on top of it. The key differentiator still I would like to call out is that the value add that we do along once you have that the SAP running on Azure is the kind of solutions that are possible through our extend and innovate, or that we call it, but there's different kind of integrations and synergies that we can bring in when you have that SAP running on Azure is through these different kind of synergies that I was talking about. Like you can use Azure and the different services that we have, right, in the different pillars, like the Power Platform to natively integrate SAP and other applications. You can leverage all those ready to use standardized, connectors which are available, workflow tools which are available, API management capabilities which are available. Similarly, if I talk about an example from the productivity application standpoint, so SAP data can be directly surfaced via Office, via Microsoft Teams, enabling the end users to read it in a tool which they're more comfortable with, rather than going into the SAP portal and leveraging it, because sometimes from the frontline workers or the other end users, they're not comfortable with the SAP portal. So those kinds of easily integration, direct integration through adaptive card in Teams is available. SAP non-SAP data can be consolidated with different Azure services like Synapse, like now we have the Fabric which is available. So we can do all of that different use cases depending on the requirement, and make a better help in reducing all the complexities and bringing in those efficiencies, leveraging all the other surround services which is available in the Microsoft Cloud scenario. Now this is just a double click on each of those pillars, starting with the very first of the data insights. When you have a lot of data related to, okay, one second, this now, there we go. Yeah? Okay, one second, it's not a thing. Yes, I think this happens when we are doing a hybrid setup, but okay, I will try to wrap up next 5 minutes. Okay, okay, then see, I've already touched upon this in the extend and innovate slide, right? That these are the different solutions. However, of course, it needs a lot of time to cover each of them in detail and really, and to talk about it. But since we have a limited time, it's just a quick glance of like the kind of solutions we have, like from Fabric, which is then we have Power BI. Again, we have those integrations, those visualizations out of the box available. I wanted to show the demo, but of course I will skip it for now because the time. Similarly, from the productivity and collaboration standpoint, we have a co-pilot. Of course, various co-pilots that are available. I'm not going to go in detail again, but yes, the different kind of co-pilots which helps in doing all of that. Doing it's integrated into Microsoft 365, and you can do all of the starting from basic, like doing the basics work in Word and Excel, PowerPoint, all of that. Now Copilot is equipped to do all of them, and then you have a brand new experience leveraging it all together with all the large language. And thus you can also build your own Copilot leveraging your own data and customize it. Which is more. Okay. Similarly, for Power Platform, again, there are a lot of integrations out of the box, connectors available, and these are the different kind of solutions which are available: Power App, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, and the Copilot again, the very first when it was introduced in GitHub, which has really helped developers in doing their co-pair programming and has really optimized their time and has improved the productivity as well. So specifically from SAP standpoint, we have the SDK for SAP, which you can really integrate those AI capabilities and do that create those custom models, custom controls for the SAP specifically. Okay, and again we have a specific solution from for SAP from Microsoft side, which is again setting the solution for SAP. It's in preview, but then it is also going to be specifically catering to those SAP workloads and be taken care of how you can have that native SIM solution, which is certified for SAP as well as RISE as well. And then Copilot is of course added here as well. And with all that, I mean, this is the last slide where I just have left with the kind of use cases that we can look at in each of the pillars, leveraging all the different solutions that I just talked about. This is just touched briefly, but yes, we will be happy to take any questions or anything or any other thing we can connect with SAVIC team and we can take it forward, because since it was a very short span of time, I hope I did some justice and were able to make some sense to it. So sorry I had to rush, but yes, I'm happy to hand it over back to I don't know, sorry, but yes, if there is any question, can let me know, maybe in chat or something. I'll be around for some time. Otherwise, we'll connect back to the team. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you.